guys, welcome to my channel. Today we have a surprise for you. Right here. So yeah guys, today we got a McLaren. We got a McLaren 7.0S. And it's from Fast and Furious too. And here's the back of the box, right here, where you can collect all these. And it says Hoshpin and Schwa. So yeah, basically here are the cars I can collect. 2015 Mercedes, AMG, GT, Nissan for 370Z, Lamborghini Gallup LP 560 -4, 1969 Ford Terragan. I don't know. And also, it's sparkly too. Ooh, shiny. And next car we have is a Jaguar SV Project 8. Right here. This car has a long name, but that car right there, the Porsche Panamera Papima Turbo SE Hybrid Sport. The machine, I don't know, I can't really read it. People say this is a long name, but that's a long name. I have to even say it. But yeah, next car here we got Mazda RX-7 and Fast and Furious. Looks pretty cool. Ooh. And I just want to say, this is like the last car in the set too. But yeah, let's open one. Okay, let's open the Mazda. I'm trying. I hate this so much. Really? Oh, it's okay. Oh, that's nice. Oh wow, look at the Mazda RX-7. It feels so smooth. Just look at the orange color and all the patterns and wheels. And the wheels look like circles too. Fast and Furious drift and also it's got a little big window too. And it's got a big muffler on the back, and also it's got a spoiler too. Oh no, it crashed. So yeah, next car I open is a Jaguar XE SV prototype Project 8. Trying to open. Oh no, I'm such a bad pick. I don't know. Okay, there we go. I fixed it. Oh no, never mind. This box is garbage. But yeah, here is the Jaguar. It's got a gray color. It's got 4 mufflers on the back, and it's got a big spoiler. There's a gas tank too, and also it's got some. It's got. What am I gonna call these? You know what? I don't even know what to call these. It's got these like cool little rims too. You know what? Let's think what I should call them. I'm gonna call them the star rims. So yeah, let's do a test drive. Thank you. And also it's got a sunroof, I think, but it's got like a glass roof on it. Pretty cool. I'm gonna go back. Next car, the McLaren. If I literally break this. Oh. Hey, did not break. Why are we so unlucky today? Really? Oh, wow. Look how sparkly that is, actually. Look how just majestic it is and sparkly. Look at it. It's got like a gray color and it's very sparkly. It's also got some line rims too. It's got a cool roof that's made out of glass. It's got the old-fashioned McLaren logo right there. And also, it's got 2 mufflers on the back too. There we are. Those are all our cars for now. So yeah, guys, I will buy more cars too. I have a gaming channel, Zamir Gaming 101. Go check it out. And also subscribe to my channel. Bye. Have a good holiday. It's not snowing outside, I guess. My Godzilla's here too. Yeah. Bye.